the last thing you Googled.
Don't lie.
Porn?
Where do sharks winter?
What is that?
Where do sharks winter?
Where do sharks winter? They light him up.
Oh, sweetie, thanks so much for helping. You know, every year, this sidewalk gets iced over, and nobody comes to help me, but you. You're my only child who comes to help me. The rest of your siblings, they're crap.
Thanks, Dad. You know, I just want to spend time with you before I go away to college. I mean, I know it's like far off, but like I just really want us to be friends, you know.
Sweetie, you're 9 years old. You've got some time. But I appreciate the enthusiasm.
But you know, I'm always thinking about my future, and I'm gonna go away one day, and I'm gonna like go get a job, and I'm gonna lick it.
Oh, persistent. Edie! Edie! Edie!
Oh no!
Now, get your tongue off. Get your tongue. Edie, don't lick that.
Oh! Hey, it's okay.
Thank you, Joshua.
That's pee, Edie. That's pee.
Edie!
Come on.
Edie, what do you have to say for yourself?
My mouth tastes like pennies.
Oh. She's bleeding. Have a seat on the steps. Come on. Do we have any like Band-Aids or gauze inside or anything like that?
Don't worry, I know where to keep all the first aid.
Alright. That's all. You're my favorite, Stephanie. My favorite child.
Man, I'm right here. I'm standing right here, Dad.
Thomas, how long have you been sitting here watching us shovel the sidewalk? You didn't jump up, Thomas.
Literally hours I've been sitting here. I got a job to get to.
Job. Really got a job. Driving for favor is not a job.
Hey, I get people from A to B. All right, and goods from A to B.
Hey, take me to the rest of PQC.
All right, check it out, man. I gotta get downtown, all right? And also, I'm really hungry, so I want to eat something on the way.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do. Both of those things. Step into my car.
All right. Man, oh, that smells good. That's shellfish.
Yeah, but that's my food. I'm gonna go pick you up something.
Oh, but it's got me. I'm craving it now. I'm craving. All kinds of. There's a crab.
You can't keep using your favor credit card to buy meals for yourself. You know that that's not allowed. That's not a part of being a favor driver.
Or just dock my pay. I mean, that's all you have to do,
You
right?
can't. It's a whole different system.
How about this? What if I call in the favor to me? And I'm like, hey, I need a television.
Hey, pull up.
What?
Did you order some favor? Pull your car up, sir. Hey, how's it going, bro? Fellow driver, my man.
That's
Get
right.
in there. Reach out.
Man, I should have pulled up next to you like we were cops. So that the driver's sides are facing each other. I didn't.
Oh, that would make
Hey, you
sense.
suckers! I work for DoorDash.
DoorDash love eating pussy. I don't know what it is.
Oh!
Hey!
Hey, you suckers! I work for the Fuzz. That's what we call each other.
Yeah.
You cops refer to themselves as the Fuzz and then call other ones the Fuzz?
With a Fuzz.
Usually when a cop shows up, he says his officer name first.
I'm Officer Fuzz. That's right! You've been caught by Officer Fuzz! I want you to put that word out on the street!
Officer Fuzz.
Officer Fuzz! Fred Fuzz! Fred F. Fuzz!
Damn it, Officer Fuzz! You're a loose cannon on the force!
I'm trying to get my name out there!
I'm assigning you a new partner, Officer Lanolin.
I can't.
Yeah,
work-
I'm here.
I can't work with this person.
I expect you won't get along, but then you'll learn each other's stuff and you'll get along. And then take down like a big drug lord. That's how it usually happens.
I don't care who you are. I'm not talking without a lawyer.
I'm Officer Lanolin.
Very scary name,
I
Lanolin.
know. And I'm the bad cop.
Oh, you're the bad cop.
The good cop.
Oh, you must be the good
Oh, you know
cop.
what?
I want to be the bad cop. I want to be the bad cop. Everybody in this town.
Officer Buzz.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
Fuzz.
Oh, man.
This fucking
man.
Fuzz.
Alright, you killed the suspect. You were trying to out bad cop each other?
Yes.
Really good bad cop, and he's got on my nerves.
God, I'm sorry. You turn around too, Lanolin.
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 It's a terrifying name.
Lanolin. Yeah, I know, it's terrifying.
You can't just kill a guy.
It was part of an interrogation.
Okay, you know what? Ready?
So they're talking about going nuts.
Welcome to my new podcast, Serial, where we investigate things that might or might not have happened. Today on the podcast, we're lucky enough to have Officer Buzz.
Fred F. Fuzz.
Or how dare you get on a podcast without me?
I'm on there first.
Oh no.
That's right.
This is Officer Lanolin.
Hold on one second. This is brought to you by Casper Match.
Look, Dad, I'm just saying I can't go to work until you scrub this whole thing, all
I
right?
don't see you picking up your. I don't see you getting your knees dirty. Your sister Edie, God bless her soul, she tried to help. She started bleeding from drinking the frozen pea. You can't even drink frozen pea and bleed for your old man.
Look, I have a job, all right? You're the one that got fired.
Yeah. Going from A to B. I get it. Hey, I worked in the postal service for 11 years.
Yeah, that was a big mistake to even try to get a job.
Oh my gosh.
All right, that's not gonna last. You got a job in the postal service while the internet was a thing.
I don't want to hear that dirty I word in my house.
You know, all you have to do is actually just get an actual wireless router installed, and you'll learn how great it is.
Your mother, God rest her soul, she hear you talking now.
I gotta go to the library to use the internet.
The library, again with all these big words. What are you doing, learning?
Yeah, bro.
I'm here for some internet.
I'm here for a similar treat. You ever heard of a thing called pornography? Shit, the librarians heard us! Keep your voice down if they know we're looking at porn in this public library.
Look, the only thing I know about pornography is one time I was in the woods.
Uh-huh.
And I found some.
Can I get either of you a book?
I like books.
I'm a book fan myself, right?
Not quite ready to choose the perfect book for me to enjoy on my weekends.
I should Google it.
Just letting you know. I'll be right here.
Cool. One time I was in the woods and I saw it was just a wet sheet of plastic paper.
I really want to hear this story.
What are you looking up there, gentlemen?
Whale size and the structure of cannabis dwellings.
And I'm looking over his shoulder because I'm reading Moby Dick. So it's the same thing. It's all the same thing. There's a wet piece of
Y'all picked the best staffed library to look up porn. What's wrong with you?
Look, we didn't know there were 25 librarians.
They get the most tax funding. Did you not know? You can't go to the one on the east side. You gotta go to the one on south.
I'm jerking off at public libraries. I don't know facts about things.
Welcome to the library of South.
The librarian's blind.
Is he deaf too? Because I get.
I don't know.
Is there somebody there? I smell you.
He can smell our boner.
Oh, somebody's looking up porn, huh?
Hey, welcome to the East Lake. Make sure you share with everybody. Where'd everybody go? How's she doing?
She's fine, Dad. You know, I really will say I'm grateful that we're all here, even given the circumstances.
Well, that's why you're the sweetest, kindest, most perfect child in the land. I got my 27-year-old and I got my 33-year-old.
Well, this college application is filled out to perfection, even though it is written with red crayon.
I'm 9.
So,
Oh, I'm sorry, I was supposed to say 19.
you're clearly 9.
I really, 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 really want to go to University of Texas.
I know. And trust me, we really, 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 really want to accept you. But I'm worried about your home life. You came here on a bus?
Yeah, it's public transportation. Anyone can do it.
I'm just concerned, honey. You know, this is the middle of downtown Austin.
Oh man, you did it! You got voted president of this fraternity!
Yay!
Drink, 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 drink.
Orange juice?
Yeah! Orange juice out there.
Oh, this is getting dark.
And that's just one example of the bad things that could happen.
Didn't know our college was all studying and learning and making friends.
No, it's 10% of that, 90% of bad stuff.
Oh, you just decided to declare your major in a useless degree!
Student debt is a big crisis in the United States.
You know, I've been reading that on the news.
You just got the proof for this motherfucking loan!
Destruction of property.
You see, sweetie? You're the only one that's going to go to college. It's going to serve you so well.
You don't
These
need
two-
college.
Oh, is that right?
There, I said
Is
it.
that right,
You
Thomas?
don't
is
need
33,
college.
and where you been living the past 33 years? The basement.
Well, it exists and it's empty, so I live there.
No, it's not. It's not free space. It's nothing.
There's a logical fallacy in there somewhere.
Edie, can you talk?
I made a collage once. It was out of construction paper and buttons and a bit of fuzz I found in my belly button.
Oh, we all remember your archives. It's up on the fridge.
It was so pretty.
It was pretty epic. It was pretty epic.
It's not easy raising the three of you without your mother around, still working at the postal office. But I gotta say, I'm proud of this one.
You should be proud of them too.
Yeah, like on a scale of 1 to 10.
What's the proudest? 10?
Yeah.
10 is Stephanie?
10's like, you're glad I was born. And 1's like, I have no son.
I have a son. I'm looking at him.
All right, so
I
it's
can't
not
wake
1.
up with that, so it's not a 1.
All right.
All right. You could redeem yourself.
It's not a 2.
It's not a
That
2.
sounds like it's not a 2. Sounds like it's a 4.
I'm gonna give you a 3.75.
That's,
And you can get your numbers up, son.
I don't even know what, 0.75? What is that supposed to be?
3.75.
0.7, is that like
3
a,
3/4.
Is that like a part of a number? I don't understand.
Decimals, Thomas! They're decimals! Didn't you go to school?
Honey, baby,
Oh, sweetie!
can you hear me from the great?
Oh my God, sweetie! I can't see your face! I can see right through you!
Sweet man, you need to be kinder to our boy.
Oh, jeez, Louis.
You do. He's a good boy. He's not good at numbers, but he has an honest job.
He drives around from A to B.
Oh, he can drive!
He doesn't even
You have to think of the bigger picture.
Fine.
So what do your children do? Mine are scholars.
Mine can drive. One of them.
How many do you have?
I have 3.
Oh man, ever since I told you that I have a talent for being possessed by the dead, you come over all the time and ask to see, I want to talk to my wife. I want to talk to my wife.
I know, but this time, okay, it's not different. I really want to talk to my wife, but I'm gonna make it up to you, Frank. I'm gonna make it up to you. Listen,
Weird.
it's okay.
I'm here if you want to talk.
She's here.
What?
This is embarrassing.
I can't see.
No, you did not. Oh, that was my husband first. Oh, no, that was mine. It was my husband first. We met on the Ferris wheel.
Oh, how many wives did your husband have? Mine only had one.
It's like they don't know he's fighting.
I know. You can't live with either of them, but well, we don't have to worry about that anymore. But they can't be in the same room at the same time. They're ghosts.
Yeah. I would think you would just want to move on, man. Get married a third time, you know?
Married a third time?
Yeah, to a woman who is like, you know, healthy. You know?
Someone who's already a ghost, so I don't have to worry about it.
That's the opposite of healthy. Yes.
Any ghost is healthy because they can't die.
Dad,
Thomas.
I've been your son all my life. But I'm not sure about this decision you're making. It's a big decision for a third time.
Listen. Greta, the ghost. You've seen her. She's real. She's been here.
Yes.
Hi, Greta. She looks beautiful.
I know.
Son, I'm gonna say this once.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
What?
Don't ever tell anyone I said that.
I gotta call somebody. No, tell somebody.
Oh God. Who would you ever call? You don't have friends.
Yeah, favor. This is the guy that answers the phones for favor. You do know we have an app, right? You got an app? We got an app.
Listen, my dad is proud of me. I had to tell somebody. Also, I want to put it in order for myself.
Wait, go back.
What?
Your dad's proud of you?
Yeah, my dad's very proud of me. He said it. He said it one
He
time.
told you that?
He did. Are you all right?
No, I'm not all right. I work on the phone for favor.
Hi, this is the person that answers the phone for Postmates. Are you crying?
Yes.
Why are you crying, man?
Oh, if I tell you, you're gonna start to cry.
Oh, man, try me.
Okay. Some guy said he just called up and he said his dad loves him.
What?
He said his father's proud of him. The choices he's made in life.
Oh.
He's fucking asshole.
Hey, this is the guy for DoorDash. Taking your order.
You know what I want?
What's that?
What? I want one big, fat
Somebody's filming a porn in here.
Sweetie, you feeling better? See your tongue?
My tongue?
Yeah. Don't you remember you licked the snow?
I know. It's okay.
So you get a roll.
I'm trying. I'm not very strong. I'm 9.
But you're strong-willed.
Oh, there we go.
Edie, we're not gonna do that again, okay?
It tastes like pennies.
Well, it's urine, so.
How do you know?